Hi everyone, welcome back in our English learning journey. In this platform, we are together because we want to learn and to be fluent in speaking English. English is a language in which we feel stuck because this is not our native language. Everyone is intelligent and everyone have a capacity to speak and getting fluency in English, but lack of practicing it could not possible to speak English or any language, no matter how much we try hard, but without regular practice and consistency, we could not find fluency in any language. If we learn Korean language, Chinese language and Turkish language, we have to do the same effort as we are doing in English. In our places where we all are belongs, no matter where I belong to and where you are belonged, but at the same time and so many different places we are belonged, and Hindi and some type of mixed languages we learn from our childhoods and it became our native language as much as we are getting older, and at some point we get fluency in our native language. So with the regular practice and disciplined consistency, we can be fluent in English as well as in our native language. So guys, welcome back in our English channel. This platform belongs to everyone because in this platform we learn English together from day 1 to day 100, or no matter day 1000 or more days, because I set the plan for my life that I will do aware peoples or to teach. I will teach people with myself as much as they find their English learning journey easy. Years ago, I wanted a public speaker or getting fluency in English language, but it could not possible due to my inconsistency and undisciplined practice schedules. But this time it is my day 19 when I have been consistent and disciplined daily. I do practice daily in front of the camera from day 1, and today is day 19, and I did not break or left to record myself because I want fluency as soon as possible. If you are old on my YouTube channel and you are watching me from my day one videos, I am on 100 days challenge of getting fluency in English, and by recording myself daily, I want to become a public speaker as much as English speaker. And I set my mind like this is my only goal and this is my last desire to be fluent in English and to be a public speaker, because years ago I attempted so many business plans and so many different things, but I had failed so many times because of my inconsistency. I failed so many times, not any other things, but because of my inconsistency and because of my lazy and comforty behavior, I failed so many times. At this time, I set my mind that I have burned out my old bridges and I have to be won, because this is my last chance to win, because this is the last chance to get successful. I am 33-year-old and I do not want to fail again and again and feeling guilty in my mind due to my comfort zone, because I am not deserving this life and I do not belong to be here. I had big dreams in my mind and I had big dreams in my whole life until today. I am 33-year-old. I used to read newspaper daily, and in newspaper blogs I read about foreigners' life and so many things. I can read, and I wanted to adopt those things in my life, but due to my undisciplined life and my habit of quitting, I failed so many times. I used to quit difficult things so many times. I do not face hard things as much as others do. I am a quick learner and I do learn new things very quick. But if you have heard a story about Kachua and Khargosh, I am just a Khargosh or rabbit, but I never won the race. And this time I left this plan only to be successful, because I am committed to someone and we had a dream to have good apartment and have a wealthy life, to live a wealthy life. But until today, in my 9-year relationships, I never lived the same life as I wanted, and our relationship affected so many times due to my inconsistency. And this time, my and his family had no other option to force us to marriage, but we both do not want to be separate, and this time I want to be consistent and earn more money from the YouTube channel, and this is my skill to talk, and people get convinced from me easily. I am very talkative, and I talk so many times with different people over the phone call. But this time I want to share my past journey with you, because in this world so many guys as you and me who failed so many times, and we are getting bored with this behavior of ourselves to getting quit. Our behavior or of quitting makes us embarrassment so many times in our relatives and in our relationships. But this time, guys, we have to do something better to deserve and live our dream life. So welcome back, guys, and I learned a quote from I read a quote in Think and Grow Rich book, that is, quitter never wins and winners never quit. So guys, just take a step and just do start. Don't think about others people. Just think about you, because you and me do not deserve the worst life, because we have talent so much and we deserve a wealthy and great life. So guys, welcome back to be getting start, and just start. No matter how much wronged and imperfect you are in your starting, but with daily practice and following the same process daily and daily, again and again, you will find your dream success. I promise you, guys. So thank you so much for having me, and please start as soon as possible, and just take a pause and do start whatever you want to do in your life. Thank you so much, guys, and be consistent in our learning journey. Welcome back. Bye bye. See you in the next video.